You're very, very cute when you're being burped. You get the cutest little look on your face. And your body sort of collapses over. And your little head bobs up and down. And you seem to like it. Yeah.
Looking at the camera.
Starting your Hollywood debut. You're already getting big.
Yes, you are. You're tulip-sized. You're tulip-sized. Used to be no bigger than a little daffodil. And then you were a crocus, and now you're a tulip.
Oh, you're a little sleepy.
Soon you'll be a... I don't know.
Philodendron.
Philodendron or sunflower.
Aww.
Or tiger lily. Tiger lily's pretty good too.